Good morning. What's today? Are you excited? Yeah, good morning.
Free Kokanee Summer Double Boat Cruise and afterwards a huge after party at Nashville North. You can get your tickets right now, 2 for $35 at Dave Smith Alfa Romeo and Freedom RV in Liberty Lake.
Hi, Ken.
I go because it's the only 5-star rated gun range in the area. I go to the class.
We are on our way to Priest Lake for this guy's birthday weekend.
His birthday is tomorrow.
His birthday is tomorrow. So annoying.
But
Want to call my face?
National Association of Shooting Ranges, and they were voted the best range in the U.S. in 2020.
Okay, on yesterday's vlog, I meant Sunday.
Everyone is
I already fixed that.
and safety is their first priority.
Alright, stay tuned. We're here.
I'm so excited.
We are full. Boat is full. Hey, Titan. Come on, Ken. Bye. So come on, Ken. Here we are. This is seriously the cutest place ever. We're gonna go get checked in. Got Liam. Kenzie's about to hurt herself. And there's our boat. No way. Woo! Go, Liam!
We officially arrived. You guys probably already saw that because Mom was vlogging. But now we're going to drop off the boat and get set up, and then we'll go swimming later. So.
Guys, tonight at 8:30 is the sing-along and prizes.
Sing along?
Yeah. Black? What?
The black bar at beach.
That's where you see a lot of fish. We've done it. Remember last year?
I don't know what you're talking about. Black bar?
Where it gets dark and deep.
Oh. I don't know. Maybe. There's this thing. So. Sorry. How to fix the phone. So it's really, really, really clear water, and so you go down probably about 10 feet in. 30 feet out. So you walk and then
Okay. Have a seat, guys.
bye guys. Yeah, the basketball court.
Alright, first step, setting up the boat at the dock. Now it's back to set up camp. So look at how beautiful this is. This is home for the next 4 days. Look how pretty the water is. It's windy today though. I hope it wind dies down. Getting all set up.
Hey, this times.
Yeah. Well, one of those is Liam's.
We actually could live here.
Hey, where's your brother?
Right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
moves. Boys found the basketball hoop. Girls just saw a squirrel. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I don't know if you could have seen that. He's out there though. We have seen so many squirrels and groundhogs.
There's a groundhog like circling someone's camp.
He looked like he lost his hole.
There's one back at ours.
So many trees down.
Are we even allowed to be back here?
You can go anywhere, you dork.
I can. I'm trying.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, hold on. I'm chasing him. Watch out, Kens. I want to get him on video. He's going to be right over there. Oh, there he goes. I don't know if you can see him on video.
I saw him.
Oh, there he goes. Hold on, I'm sitting right here.
Oh, there he is. He's behind that tree. Oh, he's in that like.
I know, I saw. He's squirrely.
Squirrely. It's like you're talking and you're like, "Whoa!" You know, from up. Hey, look it! It's a little lake, river.
Oh, there he is. Don't move. I'm shaking, but you see him?
No.
What is that?
What's what?
That's a squirrel, right?
Gotta hope so. It's like it's a baby cub.
Watch out, babe.
I want to see it.
You can see it.
I can't. Oh, there it is.
Dork.
Well, I didn't at first. I'm gonna go see if I can look around.
Well, you're supposed to approach quietly. Dork. Sometimes I wonder about her. Go. It looks like he's just chilling over there. This looks like it was a creek or something, but not so much. Oh, and he's like, bye. Yeah, no, nice try, Kens. This water is amazing. How's it feel, Liam?
Good.
Yeah?
Come in again.
Okay, hold on, see. All right, now. I'm getting tighter out
Go and
there.
jump in. Actually, watch me do a hand.
He's alive.
Come in.
We just got set up on the beach. Now we can finally chill. Oh, he's gonna throw you, Liam. Oh! Dad's fired.
You like it?
Yep. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
I don't want to swim anymore.
So windy today. Good job, Ryan. Oh, my butt got wet. Oh, got me, Liam. You're on video. Cocky as heck.
That looks good, isn't it?
The nice thing about the kids growing up
Is drinking beer. I'm
is
just kidding.
a little bit of freedom. We don't know where they are. They're that way. Just kidding. We know where they are. But they get some time to explore without them. Shout out to Kevin Dursing.
Runaway train. Stuck in my head.
He has been singing that all day.
Tone, been singing Runaway Train.
Yeah.
I'm sure Gina's gonna get down on that soon.
Did you say
Kevin.
Gina?
I said Gino.
Oh, I thought you said Gina.
I hope Kevin actually watches our stuff instead of supports it, saying, "Oh, you should start a channel." Doesn't even watch it. Let me find out you ain't watching it, bro.
You better tell us you watch this.
Ooh, 5. No. That's it.
Kenzie is the reigning champ.
Yeah,
trying to beat her.
Let's
See.
One. Can we just leave this little bit? Uno.
Who won?
Uno.
Game caught for the win.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh. Come on, Ken.
20, 30, 21.
Ooh.
Boom!
Oh.
They said 20.
That's a 10.
That was 20.
Whatever. Kenzie wins.
Again, that's Dad I beat twice.
That's because I can't crouch down.
Sure.
So one of my favorite things is the ice cream shop. Before we go to the sing-along. How's the ice cream, guys?
Oh, it's good.
I want to smash my face. Yeah, me too.
Don't even think about it, Jeremiah.
Here, no, you get a small cone. But it's a cake.
It's the
cone,
same
so it sounds
size.
I did it.
Ooh.
Ready? I did it.
Oh, look at the
I
keep
did
here.
it.
Nice.
Do.
Everyone looks so serious.
Yes, I do. Can't smile.
You don't want me.
I don't want you to go away from me. I'm trying so hard not to breathe out my nose.
Sorry,
You can't go to the next campsite, Titan.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Honey! You love me.
Just so that I just can't smile.
I thought I was going to fall down.
Yes, I love you. Can't smile.
You guys keep picking the same old people.
Look at Leah.
Don't pick me! Don't pick me! Don't pick me! I am a genie in a bottle. Don't pick me. Honey, you just got him. Yes, I love you.
Tying off the floor.
Huh? Don't
He said, huh? What'd you say?
Don't
kiss her.
me. Smile. Honey,
Stop yelling.
Is there a new game anyone has?
I do.
Where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. How often a night when the heavens are bright with the light of the glittering stars, I stood there amazed and I asked as I glazed, does the glory exceed that of ours? The chorus. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope
we had
play,
those in our school.
where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Alright, an endless skyway I saw below
Sing.
me that Golden Valley. This land was made for you and me.
You're so annoying.
I roamed and rambled, and I followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her diamond desert.
Walking back to the campsite.
Leo, make sure you
First day
stay
with
close
the
so we can
success.
see you. Keep it down, huh? What are you doing? Did you give me an itch in my butt?
I hope so.
Dude,
What?
everyone itches their butt. I wasn't digging.
You're just making it worse. Keep going.
I seen you itching your butt.
Whatever.
You were digging.
Ow! Oh yeah.